A nice quick video to show how to replace an air filter on a Landrover Discovery 2 TD5. So these are the tools and parts you will need. You probably won't even need this. It is pretty much a toolless job, but I just use this to just maybe help with the clips or for the little vacuum pipe that goes onto the air filter itself. Sometimes they can be a little bit tight. And obviously air filter. I've gone with a Bosch one. Again, part number if you want it. Air filter is located on the passenger side. There is a couple of clips. One there. On this side it's a little bit tricky to go through. I'm going to take the air mat clips off. There is a electrical connection just here, just a squeeze and pull. And there is a little pipe that I'm just going to squeeze off. That don't look like it's been replaced in a long time. And that is how you replace a air filter on Landrover Discovery 2 TD5.